Hi guys, I'm Sam Greco, K1 legend, and I'm here with my man Jimmy Crute, and we're at North Melbourne Boxing and Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to get into an inside leg kick with an opponent who's got a tight inside guard. Okay, so from here, as you can see, my opponent won't let, every time I go to kick on the inside, my opponent will turn his knee in. Okay, you find guys that are really tight guard or narrow guard, and you're finding it hard to get in. There is ways of getting in, it's very, very simple. Okay, if you keep trying, you're going to keep clashing against that knee and you're going to hurt your foot. The simplistic thing is this. It's a trial and error. Keep your hands up. If I move across to my right, watch what my opponent does. He moves that left leg, which creates the opening for me. I didn't need to do it. He done it himself. So once again, tight guard. I can't get on the inside. He won't let me in. Boom. As you can see, my hands up at all times. Boom. So as I step to here, he moves across, and that's where I make my inside attack. Once you make that inside attack, just have a look at where his body is. It tends to straighten off, which gives me a bigger target, whether I want to go right hand to the body, right hand to the head, left uppercut, and so on and so on. Okay, so it's just a simplistic movement, okay, with you move back, move across, there it is there, that's the one I want, turn in, boom. Note I'm 45 and my head's out also at the same time. Attack the inside leg just above the knee, not towards the groin, just above the knee. It's more damaging right there because it actually turns the knee out and straightens that body.